Understanding the Procrustean Bed phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, Procrustean Bed. This phrase has a unique history and a compelling meaning. It's a wonderful example of how language and mythology intertwine. So, let's explore what Procrustean Bed means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, Procrustean Bed, comes from Greek mythology. Procrustes was a mythical figure who had an iron bed. He would force travelers to fit into this bed. If they were too short, he stretched them, and if they were too tall, he cut off their legs. This gruesome story leads to the phrase's meaning. A Procrustean bed is a situation where different lengths or sizes are forced to fit into an unsuitable framework. It's often used to describe a rigid or arbitrary standard to which reality is forcibly adjusted. In modern English, we use Procrustean bed to talk about situations where rules or systems are inflexible. It's often used critically, to suggest that a system or set of rules is unfairly forcing conformity. For example, the company's management approach is a Procrustean bed, forcing all employees to work in the same rigid way. The new education policy is like a Procrustean bed, not considering the diverse needs of different students. When you use Procrustean bed in your speech, you're highlighting the inflexibility or harshness of a situation. It's a powerful phrase to express that a one-size-fits-all approach is being applied inappropriately. It's best used in formal or literary contexts, as it's a phrase rich in historical and cultural connotations. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, Procrustean bed. It's a fascinating example of how ancient myths influence our modern language. Remember, it's a great phrase to use when you want to critique a situation where flexibility is needed but not allowed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this useful in your journey of English language learning.